In this short tutorial, I will show you how to check the RAM size in your Samsung mobile device. Knowing the amount of RAM installed on your Android phone is crucial, as it determines the device's performance and multitasking capabilities. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Settings app on your Samsung phone and then scroll down until you see an option called Battery and Device Care. Once you've found it, tap on it. So now you will be able to see how much battery you have left on your device, the storage size of your device, how much storage is available, and how much memory you have available on your device. Just tap Memory. And as you can see, I have 8 GB of RAM on my phone, and 3.2 GB is available right now. This is exactly how you can see the amount of RAM installed on your Samsung phone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.